Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha about Allah's command. And if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to the orphan girls, then marry such other women as seem good to you. So Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, this is about those orphan girls who are under the custody of a guardian, and the guardian is aspirant to marry them due to their beauty and property, but he wishes to give comparatively lesser jointure to her. So this marriage was declared prohibited except when the complete jointure should be given. Otherwise it has been ordained to marry the women other than them. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, later on, when the people asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed these words, and they ask you your verdict concerning women. Say them, Allah gives verdict to you concerning them. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has expounded in this verse that if an orphan girl is extremely charming or has much property, and her guardians have an inclination to marry her, but they do not give her the jointure equal to that of given to the other women of her family, they should not marry her. Whereas if she lacked charms and property, they abandoned her and married other women. He said, when owing to the unavailability of stimuli, they leave her, they cannot marry her in the presence of stimulating things except when one should give her complete jointure, which is her right with justice. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2763.